Once again, look at that freaking shirt. We're freaking back. Oh, freaking I remember 2 years ago, I went to the beach with a couple of friends. Just laying there, just getting some sun. This moment is still stuck in my head. I was so depressed in that freaking moment. I was just thinking, what the hell am I doing, bro? I'm freaking 14 years old and I'm laying on the beach. Am I some 60-year-old? We should be fighting, we should be doing something fun, jumping off cliffs, we should be conquer the freaking world. We're 14 years old. I've always had this fire inside of me. I've always wanted to conquer, just be the best. I used to do that in video games. Of course, that's the trap of the Matrix. But now I'm doing it in real life. I'm becoming the freaking man, you know what I mean? Positive, high frequency person, you know what I mean? That's what we're all about. And right now, I'm at a high frequency state energy. That's why I always record these videos when I'm working out or after boxing practice, because after you train, after you just give your best, you feel at a high frequency state. That's how men operate. And I need people around me on the same path. My friend that I went to boxing practice with, he was just like, bro, life is freaking amazing. And he was telling me how he was working hard. And bro, he gave me some positive energy. And now I'm feeling amazing. Because you gotta surround yourself with positive people that are also working hard. Not some freaking losers that, let's be happy guys, drink a bit of alcohol, smoke some vapes. Dumbass people that don't think of long term, they just think short term. Let's be happy, life is about happiness. The way you become a high frequency person, the way you become charismatic is by working freaking hard. That's why some days you feel super confident, you can approach that girl like it's freaking nothing, because you are proud of yourself. You know you're the freaking man, you know you're the best, and your actions correspond with your beliefs. If you believe, oh, I'm the freaking man, but then you're not working hard, you're just waking up, going to school, come home, eat the gym, watch some video, then go to sleep. Do you think that's the life of the freaking man? Of course that's not the life of the freaking man, so of course you're not gonna be charismatic because you're not working freaking hard, you're not proud of yourself. That's how we gotta operate, man, because we gotta be charismatic, we gotta level up as a man. This comfort zone must be pushed. The story of approaching girls will be for another video, so freaking subscribe, you know what I mean?
I am cold, I am emotionless, I am at peace, ready for war.
Driven human beings are going to always feel like they're behind. They're going to always feel like they're not doing good enough. They're going to always feel like they're not far enough. They're all going to always feel like you're losing. Look, 90% of the time, you're going to feel like you're getting your balls kicked in, all right? 8% of the time, you're going to be confused and you're frustrated. 2% of the time, you actually win. And those moments come and go, and then you're back in the 90%. And that's the reality of a winner's life. People don't understand that. They think it's all about cruising around in a cool car, having a free and happy and easy and go-lucky life. And that's not reality, because true winners, they're built for the battle. They don't find peace and joy and happiness in the win. They find what they're looking for in the fight.
Be proud of yourself that you just watched the video, you just got better, your mind is now sharp, you just learned, now go take action. You understand me? Let's freaking go, brother. Peace and love, brother, let's go.